back to my channel. So today I have another Dollar Tree video. I posted on Instagram what you guys wanted to see, if you wanted to see a Dollar General or Walmart video, and you guys picked Dollar Tree. It was literally not even a tie, like it was just Dollar Tree. So definitely did that, and I found a Dollar Tree that had a whole bunch of stuff, so I just purchased a whole bunch of things that they had. I was gonna do my nails with this sand, but it didn't work out the way that I thought it worked. So don't use sand, it doesn't work. Well, that sand doesn't work, because I have done dirt in the back of my backyard and that worked, but I don't know why this sand didn't work. But other than that, I found this one. This Dollar Tree is in Lake Mary. I am also going to be using the Sassy and Chic nail tips that I have left over. I only have a few more, so I can't even use them anymore after this one. But yeah, so I tried to ramble up some, and I had bought like 5 packs, and I just had like leftovers from each pack. And I've been trying to find them all over at the Dollar Tree, which I found them at that one Dollar Tree. And then when I went back to go get some, they were completely out. And with COVID, it's just even more out. So yeah, but I'm just going to be using the leftover ones that I have. And I'm going to be using this Sassy and Chic nail file. So yeah, and then you guys voted on if you wanted all white nails, and you guys said no, you wanted ombre with a foil, which it's not like a foil, it's like striping tape kind of. So yeah, because the foil did not work out the way that I thought that it was gonna work out, so we're just doing striping tape. Okay, so glad you guys are okay with that. I'm sure you guys are. You're probably like, girl, shut up, you know what I mean? I know you telling me to shut up, but anyways, right here I'm just cutting the nails. If you are a beginner, I definitely recommend doing it this way, just so that way you can learn and it's easier for you. The only thing with Sassy and Chic nail tips is that they're really hard. Like, I don't know how to say it, but they're like hard, like they're just thick, if I could say it that way. Like they're just like I don't know, it's weird. But yeah, so right here I'm just shaping up the nail, like I said, off of my nails, because it's just easier that way. Because if I put them on, then it just gives me a hard time, even when I'm not doing my non-dominant hand and I'm doing my dominant hand. It doesn't matter. So yeah, that's what I just do. It's just easier for me. So if you guys are beginners, definitely try it out this way, especially if you're trying to do your other hand, just because this is just what's easy for me. So maybe just share with you guys, and maybe it'll be easier for you. So yeah, just wanted to throw that out there for you. So the nail foils did not work out, but I did do the striping tape kind of deal. I hope you guys like this ending design. I didn't fall in love with it just because the pink wasn't so opaque. I had to put another layer. But if you guys don't know, polish is the worst to dry. Like, I can see why so many people love gel polish. Polish is the worst. So right here I'm just gluing on the nail tips like normal. You can use any nail tips you want, you guys. If you have cheaper ones that you found, or if you just have ones that you haven't used and you want to use them, you could definitely use whatever you have. This is just what I like. I like the Sassy and Chic ones from Dollar Tree, so that's what I'm using. They also have the Kiss tips, which look exactly like the Sassy and Chic ones in the Dollar General. So, and those are $1 also. So if you wanted to try those out, you can. So also I just put my flour in a little container just because it's easier for me. I did have the dipping plates, but I wanted to show that you can use it in different things, because a lot of you guys are like, oh, where are the dipping plates from? And I get them, well, not plate, but tray. I get them from Amazon. But listen, you guys do not need that. You could just literally dip your finger in this little pot right here, and you could be good to go. You don't need it. You can even put the flour, cornstarch on aluminum foil and then dip it that way, and just throw out the rest or keep the rest. The good thing about this is that A lot of you guys were like, oh, well, dollars add up, and it's very true. But think about it this way: if you do your nails over and over again with that dollar stuff that you bought from the Dollar Tree, you would literally be paying like a cent for each nails that you do. The Sassy and Chic nail tips bring about 80, so just think about how many sets you can do with those nail tips. And not only that, think about the flour. It comes in a big thing. Cornstarch comes in a big thing. If you have nail glue, you can get like maybe like 5-10 uses out of the nail glue when you're doing these type of nails. So I just wanted to put that out there for you guys, that you can use this stuff over and over again, all because I show new things in new videos all the time. It's just me accumulating things that I have gotten from the Dollar Tree. But other than that, I just wanted to throw that out there. Like the striping tape that I be using, I have so many. I have blue, green, pink, and gold in this, and I only paid $1 for it, and I can get so many uses out of just this little thing. So I just wanted to put that out there. The brushes that you use, if you paid $1 for them, you can use them for many and many years. So I just wanted to show you that you can save. Nail polishes you can use for many and many years. I accumulate so many nail polishes, whether I get them from the Dollar Tree, Walmart, Dollar General, Family Dollar, Walgreens, when they have sales. Walgreens definitely has sales. Like they have like nail polishes for $2, $1, SE. So I just wanted to put that in the air, that you aren't going to be spending $1 every time. This is literally $1 one time for a pack of flour, a pack of cornstarch, and you literally have a whole box. The nail glue, you can literally get like 5 or 10 uses from the nail glue doing these kind of sets. So I just wanted to put that out there, that that's saving money. Okay, so it's not like you're paying $80 every 2 weeks or every month to go get your nails done. No, honey, this is what, let's say you spend $80 at Dollar Tree buying a whole bunch of crap. That's $80 that you're gonna have for 2-3 years. So I just wanted to put that in the air and clear the air. So air is clean. Okay, y'all, the air is clean and we can move on. So all I'm doing is starting from the free edge. I missed that part, so I'm just starting from the free edge, going down to the bottom, and right here I'm just cleaning up. But I would start from the free edge, go to the cuticle, and the reason why I do that is to build an apex. So I just put the glue, dip, put the glue, dip, put the glue, dip as many times as I want, to my preference of how thick I want them. I like my nails thick, so I did them pretty thick. So a lot of you guys are like, oh, well, how many times did you dip? Normally I don't count, but I would say about 7 or 8 times, just because that's just me, and I'm just over exaggerating. But yeah, and I get so many things about, oh, well, you know, why is it that you do so many like affordable videos? The reason why I do affordable videos is there's a lot of women and men out there that cannot get their nails done with a professional. So yeah, I just wanted to put that also in the air. Okay, you guys, I'm cleaning the air today. That is the reason why I do affordable videos, so people that can't afford to pay $80, $90 to get their nails done, because it's very expensive these days, can afford to get their nails done by themselves and still pamper themselves throughout the months and weeks. So I just, you guys, be nice in the comments, because I'm kind of like, I get to the point where it's like, oh, it's so annoying that I get so many negative comments, and I have to understand that comes with what I do. But I just feel like if you don't like the video, just exit out. Don't leave a mean comment. Like, it's going to get deleted. You're going to get blocked. Like, let's not. And especially if you're bullying other people on the comments that they say this and they say that, you're definitely getting deleted. Because it's one thing messing with me, but it's another thing messing with somebody else that's trying to spread positivity. So, just wanted to say that. And right here, I'm just going to be filing. You do not need a nail drill, you guys. You could just file with your hands. Hand file. I'm not a pro at it, and you see that I only did the thumb. I ended up closing the video and doing it off camera because, you guys, I had to make sure I get into every groove, everything. So so that's just me. I can't file while on camera just because I'm literally out of frame the whole time. If you guys want to see me filing on camera, I can add it in, but trust me, you guys, I'll be out of frame the whole time, and it's so annoying when I'm editing the video and I'm like, put your hand in the camera, put it in the camera, it can't see you. So if I say that, I'm pretty sure you guys say that. But we're just moving on to some polishes. A lot of you guys wanted to know some of the names. So this name of this one is Sweetheart, and this is the LA Colors gel. You guys also wanted to know the white color, and that is, I don't know, but it has a whole bunch of numbers. So that gel polish is also by Kiss, and it is the DTGNP04. I guess these don't come with names. But then the pink one is 06, so the same number, same letters, but 06. And then the blue one is 07. The peachy orange that I used is called Peach Sorbet. So I'm guessing some of them have names and some of them don't. And then the darker pink is LA Colors, and it is called Flashy. And then the purpley lilac color is called Impression. And these are all by, well, some of them were by LA Colors, and then some of them were by Kiss. And yeah, so I just wanted to put that out there, and I'm just going to be showing you at the end of the video how I did this striping tape. So just stay tuned for that. And this also one, I thought you guys wanted to see all white nails, but instead y'all wanted to see ombre nails with foils, which I couldn't do. It didn't succeed. I am so sorry about that, but at least I did something. I made it work. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in my next video. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified each time that I upload, and give this video a nice big thumbs up because I know that you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. And maybe next time I'll do the Walmart one if that's what you guys want to see. I know you like all these affordable videos, and trust me, I love doing them. They're fun and they bring out my creative side. But maybe we could switch it up to maybe going to Walmart. What do you think? I like Walmart. I love Walmart actually. So if you have a Walmart by you, definitely stay tuned for that next video because you are not going to want to miss it. Walmart has a lot of things that I can use to do nails. So I will see you in my next one, you guys.